So, ladies and gentlemen, let us now see how exactly you can come up with the structural formula. Now, when you look on the board, we have this molecular formula, okay, in form of an equation. We have an alcohol, we have an acid, we have an ester, then also H2O. But how can we draw the structures of each of these compounds? Okay, so now I want you to understand one thing. When you look on top of the board, you can see that the simple knowledge that I want you to understand is hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide. Okay, it is going to actually give us a salt and also water, which you saw just in the introduction. Okay. Now the same idea. Okay, this is organic reaction. What is going to happen is that the alcohol is going to contribute the OH, you can see in a square in the box there, and then the acid is going to actually contribute the hydrogen. Okay, what is going to happen now is that the structure of this one is going to be C. We have two hydrogen, we have two carbon, we fill in the hydrogen which are just 5. Okay, I hope you can see. And then you also have the OH, okay, then now plus this one. So we have one carbon, okay, then one carbon, and then 3 hydrogen for the first carbon, okay. And then now we have this part, the other carbon, which is a function group carbon. It's going to be actually the double bond there, and then also the one OH, okay. I want you to understand that the alcohol is going to actually contribute the hydroxide, okay? And then now the acid is just going to contribute, the hydrogen, okay? So when you can just understand what has just happened over here is that H2O, okay? H2O hydrogen is being formed. Okay. Now from there, what do you do now? We get a certain product. Okay. And this is the product that we are going to have. Okay. Now what you need to understand also is that meaning this is what we have now. This is C, and then that is what you have there. Okay. Yeah. So we have that. So what we're going to have now is the following, okay? It's the following what we're going to have. So the hydrogen there, the hydrogen, I'm now getting this part, okay? This part. Then also the hydrogen, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 hydrogen. Okay. Now this part, we're gonna actually extend it with this part, okay? So, which is going to have that. So, we move this hydrogen, okay? Then you're going to actually attach this one, okay? So, this part is going to have, okay? And then now, the other part, which is just going to be, now, I'm not going to put the double bond there, okay? So what I can do is just put the OH, then of course down there I can put the H, this H, okay? This H, okay? So when you look at what has just happened actually, in fact, by the way, so maybe the best way for you to do this, guys, is to start with this one, okay? So start with this one. Okay, start with this one. Then this one. Okay. Now at this point of the oxygen, this is now where you come and attach this part, okay? So which is just now going to be like this. Okay, two carbon. Okay. Then we know that there is a plus H2O. Okay. So plus H2O. So all you have to understand, guys, is you always start with this one. Okay. You always start with this one. Now, how is the name going to be? So what normally happens is that this ethanol, it is going to be called an ethyl. Okay, so it's going to give us an ethyl group, and then this one is going to give us an ethanoate. Okay. Now, okay, so this is going to be an ethyl derived from the alcohol, and then ethanoate derived from the acid. So altogether, the name of this product, okay, the name of this product, which is an ester, okay, which is an ester, is that's going to be ethanoate, okay, ethanoate, okay, which is an ester or ester, whatever you like. Okay. So now, the most important thing to understand is, first of all, to understand that this is some kind of a condensation chemical reaction, and also in an inorganic manner, we call this one a neutralization chemical reaction, or this can also be called, like, you are forming esters, so obviously this can be called esterification, okay, so the formation of esters, okay. So in the next video, we shall also talk about the things like polyesters, okay. So it's coming from this part, okay. Now, what the most important thing that you also need to understand about esters is that what are their industrial application, or what is their importance in the manufacturing industry or in these factories, okay. So more especially in food production, okay. Food production, in almost all the kind of food that we do consume, okay, we have what we like the food not because we like it, okay, but we like the food because of the good smelling, okay, because the food smells good. Some of you like ice cream, some of you like bananas, some of you like, even some things that we don't consume, like perfumes, even the bathing soap, even all these kind of things that give us a good smelling, okay. All those are what we now see as esters, okay. So this science of production, or this science of producing esters, is one of the most important and significant things in the chemical industry, okay. So this is all I can say, is that you have to understand, first of all, the most significant part is to understand this idea, okay, this idea, okay, that the acid is going to contribute the hydrogen, and then the alcohol or the alkali is going to contribute the OH. Okay, so thanks for watching. Thanks so much for watching. Please remember to share the video, share to your friends, families, and make sure you follow me on Facebook. Just go on Facebook and search for me, Learn with Professor Warrior. And then also, once you reach there, once my page opens up, okay, ensure that you follow and like the page, okay, because this video is gonna actually be uploaded on that page. If you're watching me on YouTube, please ensure that you do subscribe to my channel, and also like and share. And then if you're watching me on TikTok, also follow me and also like this video for more videos like this, and also to help you understand some of the things that you don't understand in chemistry particularly, of course. Yeah, so thanks for watching so much, guys. This is White Academy, and my name is Mike Wada. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.